Hello, in this example, we are going to see deselect by value from a multi-select drop-down. This script is going to fail because I do not have multi-select drop-down, so that's why I marked this test as expel, expected failure. But I want to show you which method is doing the task. So that is the method deselect by value of select class, and as an argument it accepts its value. So when we run the script, this will surely fail. But yeah, if you have multi-select drop-down, this script will run and you can achieve deselection by value. Let me run the script is running, and let's open the report, and there will be not implemented error. But in case of yours, if you have multi-select drop down, this will surely work. Thank you.